Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with Me, and what we're going to do is do the giveaways. Now I have one giveaway here from, well really I have two giveaways here from Katie. She asked would I want to give these away, and of course I would. I don't want to give them away, I want to keep them, but I am going to do a giveaway on them. I asked you to leave a comment below the video where I showed the Happy Mail that she sent me, and I would choose from those comments two people, one for each of these, and mail them out to you. Now, I want to say, I'm also going to do the one for the lovely junk mail series that I had, a $50 gift card to the store, but I'm going to insert something right here. I'm going to get on my soapbox just a little bit. I do giveaways not because I have to, but because out of the goodness of my heart. I don't have to do any giveaways. YouTube doesn't say I have to do giveaways. As a matter of fact, they discourage it. I'm doing it on my own. I'm paying for the products on my own, out of my money. Nobody else is paying for products for me. And if all you're coming to this channel for is just to win a giveaway, then bye-bye. See you later. That's not what this channel is all about. If I have any more ugly comments about if I don't win a giveaway soon, then I'm going to unsubscribe and all of this. If I have any more of those, I'm probably just going to stop giveaways. And I'll just start selecting some random people that are really supportive of my channel and comment all the time and give me thumbs up and all that. I'll just start selecting some of those random people and send a gift to. I won't even put it out there publicly because I do not appreciate that. I only saw myself one, but I was told by other members and other viewers that there was quite a few on one of the videos, and one of the I did have a comment that asked, and it was asked nicely, so that's no problem, that asked, did I miss the giveaway for the $50 gift card for the lovely junk mail series? No, nobody missed it. The reason it has taken me so long is I have to manually, and I'm talking about manually, type in or copy over all of the information for the comments that were on the blog. I have to manually put those in my YouTube. They're not, there's no way that I can link them. I have to manually go over there, copy each one individually, and put them in the comments on my videos. Then I have to go through and make sure there's no bad comments, take those out if there is. I have to double check, if there's duplicates, like if some troller just come there and said me 100 times, I have to go through and take all that out. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that I have to compile on my end, and it takes me a little while because this is not all that I do. I run a shop too, or I run a store. So it has taken me a while. Plus last week I was sick. I did basically what I had to do. I was so sick. So I did not get it up early. I apologize for that. But then again, I don't apologize because it's my giveaway. I can draw anytime I want. I didn't give a specific day. I don't think. If I did, I need to go back and look. But I think I said I'll do it just as soon as I can because I knew it was going to take me a while to get all that information put together. Now, that being said, I'm not trying to be ugly, but I don't appreciate people who are just around to get something for free, because that's not what this channel is about. This channel is about teaching. This channel is about sharing, learning, teaching you things that I know, you teaching me things that you know, talking to each other, communicating with each other. That's what this channel is all about. It's my channel. I can do it any way that I want to. Like I said, YouTube has not told me I need to do giveaways. They really discourage us from doing giveaways. They suggest that we go to Instagram and do them. But I don't do that because I know a lot of people don't have an Instagram account, and I don't see any sense in you having to open up one just to join a giveaway. So, that being said, if anything keeps up about giveaways, I may just take them all to my blog and do giveaways from there, because I know I can accept or deny people access to my blog. So, you know, not saying that there's certain ones, but I know one comment was put on there and a lady read it. One of my sweet viewers read it and she got upset about it because it was not nice. And she said, I just can't understand why people do things like that. Something to that effect. I don't understand it either. I don't scroll YouTube just to see if there's a giveaway out there. That's, if I am, I don't even accept giveaways from any other YouTubers because I know that's coming out of their pocket. I don't even join them or anything. Or if I leave a comment and they accidentally pull my name, that happened one time. And I just sent back and said, no, you pass it on to somebody else because, you know, I don't want to take money out of your pocket. But anyway, that's enough on my soapbox. I'll get back down on the main floor now and we will do our giveaways. I love all of you guys. Love all of you to death. But if there's one or two out there that's just coming over here for giveaways, I don't like you. Go away. Go away. All right. So first off, we're going to do these. Now, I'm going to go over to my YouTube channel. And I'm going to get a shareable link. This is the video that we did that on. So I have to get a shareable link. I have to go back to this. I mean, you know, all of these, everything that you do nowadays, there's a lot of work involved in it. It's not all automatic. All those links and everything, those are not automatic. I look all those links up and I put them all in there manually. So just keep all that in mind when you're starting to leave some kind of negative comment or something. Which, I mean, I just brush them right off. But I know the other subscribers read them. And it upsets some people. It don't upset me. I just say, pfft, and go on. I say, not gonna worry about it. Okay. This was just one comment. Include replies to comments? No. Filter comments. Okay. FaceTime video. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start. My daughter was trying to call me. I'm going to have to do this and then call her back. All right, let's get the YouTube comments. We had 181 comments. So let's do the first one. Let's start it. See who it picks. All right, let's see. This one is from Line Under the Stars. What beautiful things you make, Katie. Thank you for having the giveaway. I would find either the doilies or the flower equally fun to create with. Okay, so that's our first winner. I'm going to do a shot of that, and then I'm going to have to get this phone call from my daughter, and I'll be right back to do the other one. Okay, sorry I had to pause. My daughter was calling. You know, she's homeschooling, so we had to go over some of that. But anyway, this is our first winner, and I will give her, if I choose the next winner, and they say they'd rather have the doilies, then I will give her the flowers because she said it didn't matter to her. So now you need to send me an email. My email will be directly below, or not directly, but it will be below. Send me an email and let me know your mailing address. And I'm going to hold it up so that you can see that you are the winner. You will have 48 hours from the time this video posts, not from the time you see it, but from the time it posts, to send me an email. If you don't hear immediately back from me on the email that I received it, then make sure that you send it again. Sometimes they get lost out there in space somewhere. All right, that's our first winner. Now let's pick another. I'm just going to hit that little thing that says pick another. Okay, this is our next winner, and she doesn't really say on here either one. She just made a comment. She just says, and thank you. Hello, Susan. Just beautiful. I think she actually made another comment other than this one, but this is our next winner. Alicia Moat. I'm going to do me a screenshot of that so that I'll have it. You have 48 hours to contact me through the my email below, and then I will get one of these out to you. All right, that is our winners for that. Now, let me go back. I've got to pull my other URL, and it's going to be a doozy. So hold on just a second. got to go to my playlist on this one. And we're going to pull the whole playlist because it was, you know, you could leave a comment under any of those. So we're pulling the playlist. We're going to go back to the random comment picker. And I'm going to delete that URL. And then I'm going to plug this one in. And I'm hoping that it's going to work like I think it's going to work. And now that I've talked to my daughter for 30 minutes, I've lost my voice just about. Okay. We're going to get the comments. Okay, and then I'm going to start. Now, I'm going to hit start, and the first person that it pulls up is going to be the winner for our $50 gift card to the store. So, let's plug that in. There it's scrolling through them. Sandy Harris. Love these. Have lots of junk mail. Okay, Sandy, you have 48 hours to contact me from the time this video goes up. And just contact me at the email that's below the video. And just let me know. All I'll need is your email address, because I'll do an email for the card or the code so that you can use the $50 gift card. Alright, so that is our winners. And so we've got 2 here. I'm going to go ahead and screenshot this for Sandy. Now, if for some reason these winners do not contact me within the 48 hours, then I will come back on and I will choose another winner. I've only had that happen one time, and that was about 3 years ago. And we just chose another winner and went from there. But if you don't hear back from me, if I don't do this again, then you'll know that the winners contacted me. Normally they do, because normally they're watching to see if they won. All right, I think that is it. So, like I said, I wasn't trying to be mean at the beginning of the video. I hope you understand that. But I just want you guys to know that I am not made to give away anything. I mean, I give away things because I want to give back to you guys. I would love to give away a lot more, and I would if I could afford to. I would love to give away a lot more stuff. I'd like to do a giveaway once a week, but I can't afford to do that. You know, I'm the sole breadwinner in this family, so I can't afford to do a giveaway every week. I would love it, but I can't. So I give away as much and as often as I can. So hopefully that is good for you. The 99% of you, the 1% that doesn't like the way I do giveaways, then bye-bye. All right, that's enough of me yetting on. So we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks so much for entering the giveaways. I really, really appreciate it. I appreciate all of your comments. I've read every single one of them, even all of them on the blog. I have read them all. And we will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.